Okay, so you were discussing the cockroach structure. That is, they do not respire, they do not breathe through their mouth or the nose. Okay, so how they does breathe and these all? So they breathe through the body. They have the eight part here in the abdominal region, two here in the thoracic. That are together. That are the 10 pairs of what they are speckles. Okay, this means if these are I'm making a 2 to 3 holes here. These holes are further divided into trachea, just because if these are the specules, these are then they have the trachea. Then trachea is divided in a human body. Then trachea is divided into bronchiole. Like these are the bronchiole in a human body. Then these are bronchioles, bronchi, bronchioles. But here these are trachea, and this trachea is divided into more like subparts as bronchioles in our human body that are known as tracheoles. T R. Oh God. Tracheoles. I'm not writing right now. That is tracheoles. Then O2 will enter through the trachea. This is the outer covering in the body. O2 will enter in the body. Then trachea will catch this. This is the trachea. Then trachea will send this to the other parts like the tracheoles, and then this tracheoles will give. Then this will give to the tissues we have near this. We have this kind of tissue which will take that O2, and then this would be complete process, and which would be given to the complete body. If this is the cockroach, they have the trachea. Oh God, how thin this is. Okay, so if this is the trachea, then this is divided into bronchiole, and from this they take the blood and these all. Okay, so yes, this take the like CO2. So not CO2, O2 is going to this. Then this tissue take it. So that complete system is known as tracheal system. Tracheal system. Tracheal system. Okay. So yes, now uh, you will see the most important MCQs about the phylum Chordata, not Chordata but the arthropods. That would be, these are three categories. So one of the most would be 80% insecta, just because they are 80% wings, and this is one of the most complete. 85% of the phylums is about the phylum arthropods, just because it's one of the successful, and this is the first phylum where they got respiration. First time they got the lungs in their body, and that are not completely lungs, but these are like I'm making here, I'm discussing here. So first time in the first heading, which was the last Christica, they have the book gills, like gills book. Why we are just writing book here? Because they have the gills, and they are then found like a book, like we can open like this. They have the gills like a structure. That's why we call this the book gills. Okay, then we have the second heading, which was the second does not have, and the third insecta, and the third which we have is the archaenda terrestrial, which was the book lungs. Book lungs, just because book here simply also mean that the best example you'll find here is the spider, scorpion, and in this you will find the example of crabs. Okay, and these are the example in this. They're the book lungs. This means their structure is little bit book like. Okay, and the second we did not have, and then we go towards the excretion in the body. I'm not sure with the time more to discuss excretion. Let's discuss another. So division of the body into head or thoracic or abdomen, the characteristics of insect. How? As I discussed,